Digital marketing depends on the number of people who see your product or service. It is almost impossible for a business, blog, website, e-com store to generate revenue without having some traffic on their websites. That is why we did our research to find a website advertising that can give you traffic without putting in any effort into your marketing strategy. Today, we will discuss about Mass Traffic Monster. We learned about Mass Traffic Monster that helps in generating traffic, leads, and sales for any business. They have multiple sources to generate traffic and does not rely only on the organic reach. It means that you will get some high-quality leads from almost every major platform. The platform is easy to use and gives you all the rights over your campaign. You track, pause, and monitor your campaign without someone's assistance. Additionally, you can download the reports to know how your campaign is performing with the audience. Most of the affiliate marketers find it challenging to get the traffic for their marketing. With the increasing competition, it is getting harder and harder to reach the right audience for a product or service. However, Mass Traffic Monster provides the targeted audience for the affiliate marketing campaigns. To start using Mass Traffic Monster, you will need to subscribe to one of their plans. After that, you will need to create an account and campaign to define your audience. In the campaign, you can use their keyword research tool to get the right audience for your website. It can also be used to get unlimited views for your YouTube video, leads for any affiliate program, or even your Fiverr gigs. Their solution is customized for all the users and used in different ways to generate leads, sales, and traffic. They also use rotation visitors, which means that you will not get the traffic from the same sources more than once in a day. Sign up to Mass Traffic Monster and get unlimited traffic, leads, referrals, and sales guaranteed.